Welcome to ZunoTales, the magical world where storytelling meets fun learning. In this video, we'll explore how to use this exciting, interactive platform that helps children learn through the power of stories. First, let's get you started. Click the Sign Up button on the home page. You can sign up instantly with your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, or by filling out the form with your name, email, and password. Select your role as a parent or educator, choose your country, and accept the terms to create your account. After signing up via email, check your inbox for a verification link. Click it to confirm your account and unlock your ZunoTales journey. Before creating stories, you'll need to set up a child's profile. You can design a unique avatar, add their name, age, and interests. This is the magic step that helps ZunoTales personalize every story just for them. Now, let's create. Head to the Create Story section. For fun, curriculum-aligned learning, choose Learning Adventure mode. Just pick a subject like science or history and ask a question. ZunoTales will instantly craft a personalized story where your child is the hero who discovers the answer. You can choose to make your stories public for the community to see, or keep them private. Then, just click Generate Story and watch the magic unfold. Children can also become authors themselves. In Young Author mode, they can write their own stories. ZunoTales provides gentle grammar and spelling tips, helping them become confident creators. When they're done, we bring their words to life with unique illustrations and narration. ZunoTales is a 100% kid-safe environment. We use advanced content filtering to ensure every story is positive and age-appropriate. All your stories are saved in my library. You can also visit the Explore section to read public stories from our community, leave likes and comments, and get inspired. You can easily share any public story on social media or by copying the link. ZunoTales also includes 2 exciting brain games, Crossword and 2048, to boost logical thinking and vocabulary. In the Analytics section, parents and educators can track creative growth and learning progress, all in one place. ZunoTales offers both free and premium plans. By upgrading, you can unlock more story creations, premium features, and advanced analytics. And finally, your privacy is our priority. You can permanently delete your account and all associated data at any time from the settings page. That's how ZunoTales transforms storytelling into a world of learning and imagination. Start your journey today and let every story spark a new adventure.